Today's story is called Rap-a-Tap-Tap. Here's Bojangles' Think of That by Leo and Diane Dillon. Now, in this story, you're going to hear the phrase Rap-a-Tap-Tap, think of that a lot. And when you hear it, I want you to clap with me. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. Or maybe you have an instrument at home that you could use to play. Right here, I just have some markers. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. Whatever you have. What are some other things? Maybe you have a drum. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. Ooh, here I have some almonds. Maybe you have some popcorn or beads or beans. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. These didn't shake very well because the bag's full, but you get the idea. All right, let's start our story. Okay. There once was a man who danced in the street. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. He brought pleasure and joy to the people he'd greet. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. I like this. Look at him. He's tapping. We got friends at the bus stop looking at him. They're greeting each other. He didn't just dance. He made art with his feet. Here we go. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. And the crowds would look because it sounded so cool. Have you ever heard tapping before? He danced past doors. Some were open, some were closed. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. He danced past folks in fancy clothes. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. He danced through a place people called the Skids. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. He danced through crowds of laughing kids. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. His feet fairly flew as he tipped his hat. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. Look at all the instruments on this page. We have a violin, we have a bass, trombone, drums, saxophone, trumpet, and guitar. So cool. I bet he loved tapping his shoes with all of those instruments playing a tune. He briefly paused to pat an old cat. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. He danced rain or shine in all kinds of weather. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. This reminds me of a wonderful song and movie called Singing in the Rain. People listened each day for his tapping clatter. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. He danced many rhythms that were seldom the same. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. Look at, he's got another group of drummers playing with him. Percussionists. I see some maracas, claves, all different kinds of drums. And look at the people dancing. I would dance along with him if I ran into him. Dance was his passion, and it brought him fame. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. Bojangles, Bojangles, that was his name. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. So this is actually based on a true story. Bill Robinson's nickname was Bojangles, and he was known as the greatest tap dancer of all time. That is super cool. He's performed shows on Broadway as well as in famous clubs around the country. Super cool. There's even a day on May 25th, 1989, Congress declared that day, which was Bojangles' birthday, as National Tap Dance Day in Bill Robinson's honor. That is so cool. Do any of you know how to tap dance? I would love to see a video of some of you if you take tap dance classes and show me some of your moves. That'd be super cool. What I would like you to do today when you upload to Seesaw is you are going to find an at-home instrument, and it can be something as simple as like I had my markers, or maybe you found something to shake or make a drum or whatever you have. And I want you to play that rhythm, rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. I want you to play that 4 times and send it to me in a video.